Welcome back. Former Union Minister Eduardo Falero is of the opinion that air traffic experts' advice is a must on the MOPA issue. Falero says any infrastructure should be planned keeping in mind the probable situation 25 years ahead. He was speaking with media on Wednesday.
This is number one. It is a technical issue. समजूल technical issue तर झाली. Fellows who are conversant with air traffic experts should analyze this issue. Number one, experts only, in the perspective of the traffic of today and 25 years from now. Planning is always done for at least one generation. And one generation is 25 years. Accepted. 25. किती जावपाचे आसा 25 वर्सां सध्या out of respect. Get those experts, not only national but international experts, to analyze issues of this type.
Falero also announced that second Purushottam Kakodkar Memorial Lecture will be held on 1st of June. Governor of West Bengal M.K. Narayanan would deliver the lecture.
Memory of Purushottam Kakodkar should be instituted in Goa. कित्याक ते याद करपाक ताजो आनी ताजे प्रिंसिपल्स, ताचे धोरण आनी ताणे त्याग पळय केल्लो टू इन्स्पायर अस, टू गिव अस इंस्पिरेशन. ते केंद्र सरकारान मानून घेतले. पहिले मेमोरियल लेक्चर पुरुषोत्तम बाब काकोडकर मेमोरियल लेक्चर जाले 2011 नोव्हेंबर, डिलिवर्ड बाय मिनिस्टर हिमसेल्फ श्री कपिल सिब्बल अंडर गांधीयन फिलॉसॉफी. आणि आता दुसरे लेक्चर पुढे जाता आमचे गव्हर्नर पुढे आसा वेस्ट बेंगॉल श्री M.K. नारायणन, ते पुढे डिलिव्हर करतले हांगा तुझे जून पयले तारखेर येता त्या जुनाचे पयले तारखेर मिनिस्टर ब्रॅगन्सा हॉल. and the present Asian scenario and the challenges before India, this country.
Video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Goa Football Development Council in collaboration with Goa Football Association celebrated AFC Grassroots Football Day at Duler Ground on Wednesday. Over 150 youngsters were seen enjoying football at Duler Football Ground in Mapsa despite the sweltering heat. GFDC is targeting structured development at the grassroots level.
That's what's happening through this morning.
Time has come to give importance to grassroots development in a structured way, and therefore we have opened many centers to bring the boys and girls on the field at a very young age. It is more of fun football, and through fun football we want to build the spirit of the development of the boys and girls in the game and give them a lot of inputs how football is to be played and develop themselves.
It's just started at this football festival brought to you by GFDC in association with the Goa Football Association.
We want to develop all you youngsters into good footballers, and we want many more youngsters of Goa to follow in these footsteps that you all have taken, because that is our dream.
Development from Navali, Kudino from Benaval, from the GFDC Center.
The celebrations of Shirgaon's popular Lehre Devi Jatra began on Wednesday. It is popularly known as Donachi Jatra or Homkandachi Jatra. Homkand, which is the major attraction of the Jatra, is held at midnight on day 1. The Jatra attracts thousands of devotees from Goa and neighbouring states.
देवीची जत्रा वैशाख शुद्ध पंचमी सुरू जाता. जत्रा पयले दिसा होमकुंड जे आसा ते जवळ जवळ फातोडेचेर जाता आनी त्याच्या नंतर फुडले 4 दीस कौलां आसता. तत्पूर्वी 5 दीस सगळे धोंड सगळ्या गांवांनी आपले व्रत पाळटा. ते च्या घेताना किंवा जेवण करच्या पयलीं आंघोळ करता आनी पूर्णपणे ते सवळे पाळटा. त्यानंतर ते जात्रेच्या दिसा वैशाख शुद्ध पंचमी दिसा आपल्या गांवांत गांवांत येवन ते देवीचे दर्शन घेतात आनी 12-12:30च्या दरम्यान शिरगोकार शिरगोकार वायगणकार मयेकार आमचे गांवकार मंडळी शिरगोवच्या आमच्या चौगुल्या मंडळी बरोबर एक जाता आनी नवे धोंड आसा ते थंयसर मांडयता वयल्या देवळान. तांकां ते सांगणे करता आनी ते थंयसर पावती काडून निंबर म्हणजे ते तेचे मागीर आमकां कळटा की हे नवे धोंड आनी इतले जाले. अशें दर वर्सा धोंडांची संख्या 700-800 अशें वाडत रावता. आज जवळ जवळ 60 ते 70 हजारा वयर धोंड आमचे देवीचे आसा.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.